to welcome Alik from P2P, who is the Bitcoin ecosystem, Bitcoin staking ecosystem manager, to the stage. And by the way, there is some food start serving right now.
One, two, three. Okay. So, hey everyone, my name is Alik. I'm Bitcoin PM at P2P.org. So, super excited to be here. And today I want to, so topic of my keynote is evaluating Bitcoin staking products. So I want to discuss and share our approach in evaluating Bitcoin staking products. So what can allow you to stake your BTC while keeping your funds safely. So, what is Bitcoin staking? Just to remind, so Bitcoin staking is the process of delegating BTC to some validators of proof of stake systems, like using this BTC for networks validating and receive yield as rewards. So you delegate BTC, BTC is used for security, and you receive some rewards. That's pretty basic. So what are the benefits of Bitcoin staking? I see two main benefits actually. So first of all, that's access to security backed by Bitcoin. So, and this security can be both shared security, like Babylon does, or security of some certain chain. Because some chains using dual staking model, when you can stake both Bitcoin and staking asset of the chain. So yeah, but overall, access to security backed by Bitcoin is super cool benefit. And second is a yield on BTC holdings. So yeah. Okay, but who are the key players on the Bitcoin staking market? So I want to mention 4 players because these players are already in the mainnet. So they provide staking opportunity related to Bitcoin. And there are a ton of products that are going to launch. So they are currently in the mainnet, in testnet, but I'm focusing on the products that are already in the mainnet right now. So these products are Babylon, CoreDAO, Meso, and Stacks. So let's discuss each product one by one. So Babylon. Babylon is a Bitcoin staking protocol that allows to stake BTC, so which you can use in shared security, and users can receive rewards from different proof of stake systems. So when these proof of stake systems will be onboarded on Babylon, so it opens a lot of great opportunities to receiving rewards and different tokens from different chains. That's pretty exciting. So CoreDAO allows to stake both BTC and Core, so which used in which used in CoreDAO own security, and the rewards are coming in Core tokens. Also Meso. Meso is a cool product because it allows to stake BTC, WBTC, TBTC, FBTC, and etc. So these assets also used in own Meso security, and rewards can be paid in Meso, and some of them can be paid in TBTC. And by the way, just to notice that some of protocols don't have rewards yet, so these rewards will be after this. Their points program will be finished. So yeah, that's some future plans. And Stacks. Stacks is interesting because it allows to stake STX token, so which also can be used in, which also used in Stacks security, and you can gain some BTC rewards, which is super interesting. So because it's some reverse model. So I picked these 4 products to show differences between them. So each product has own focus, own use cases, own audience, and it's pretty cool that we have already several cool Bitcoin staking related products that allows users to stake BTC or earn BTC with staking other tokens. So I also want to mention LST platforms. So there are actually maybe 15 LST platforms on Babylon already. So some also Meso has LST platforms, Stacks, CoreDAO, etc. So there are a ton of different LST platforms. So it's so hard to compare them. So that's why my goal is more about showing their role and differences from direct staking. So their role is to make staking assets. Their role is make staking assets liquid and use them in the further DeFi activities. So differences from direct staking is capital can be more liquid, like using capital in further DeFi activities, for example, restaking, liquidity providing, etc. So you can also receive some additional rewards, and LSE platforms can provide different staking limits. I also want to mention Bitcoin L2s with staking because that's a new narrative that we just see coming. So their role is to stake BTC while using tokens on Bitcoin L2 networks. So you generally can just bridge your BTC on these L2s. L2s will be staked, for example, with Babylon, and you can receive yield while using your tokens on the Bitcoin L2s, so which is cool. So I think that it's also crucial. So I just mentioned different staking protocols, blockchains, LSTs, Bitcoin L2s, and etc. And I think it's crucial to understand how to evaluate these products. So how to pick products that you can provide you staking opportunity, but keep your funds safely. Because I think it's with this rise of the Bitcoin staking narrative, we will see both cool products that provide sustainable yield, but also we can expect some product that don't provide sustainable yield, and some can be just strange scammy products. So step number 1 in my 5-step framework for evaluating Bitcoin staking products. Step number 1 is what is the background of the team and project. So founding team's background, project's goal and vision, so which type of product it is, and technology stack used by the project. So I think that's the first step before evaluating any product. So just understand where product is going, what type of product it is, and who are behind the product, especially in crypto. So where does staking yield come from? That's crucial because the golden rule of crypto, you have to make sure that you know where the yield is coming from. So if not, you could become a yield. And it's always important to understand what are the sources of this yield. So I can mention 4. So network security, from my perspective, that's the most sustainable option. But it also can be protocol emission without security, some DeFi activities, and just pure scam schemes where you just send BTC to some strange Bitcoin address and never receive it back. Someone can buy a Lambo, but probably not you. So yeah, that's tough. What is the APR? What is the APR on your staked capital? So also important metric because each Bitcoin staking product has its own APR. So what tokens are rewards paid in? So I just showed 2-3 slides before that tokens that you can receive rewards in different tokens and additional rewards in further DeFi activities. So using receiving additional rewards and using your tokens in additional DeFi activities can increase your APR, and your APR with direct staking and, for example, liquidity staking can be different. And it's also important to manage and calculate which exact rewards you can receive. Our assets locked, so that's one of my favorite ones. So that's super important to understand how your assets locked, where they are locked, who can who could interact with them, and etc. So I can mention 4 main ones. So Bitcoin time locks. That's a super interesting technology that allows to lock BTC on user's address. So which means that nobody can steal your BTC, and Babylon uses this technology, and this technology is really awesome. Second one is multi-sig MPC solutions. Third one some more advanced multi-sig solutions secured, for example, by some set of nodes, and custody providers. So we have a lot of well-known custody providers that also can be responsible for assets that you stake. Step number 5, so how slashing works and who are validators. So as Fisher said today, slashing is important. Slashing is so important in staking and it's necessary. So, and it's super helpful to understand how slashing works and what percentage of capital can be slashed. Because if BTC becomes slashable asset, so it's helpful to know which amount of BTC can be slashed. And validators definitely, so choosing like experienced validator is one of the most important decisions in like when you stake your BTC. So always try to pick right validator with like great experience and great history of validating different blockchains. So that's our 5 steps framework for evaluating Bitcoin staking products. So let's revise. First step is a background of team and project, like sources of yield. Third step, APR. Fourth step, like how our assets locked. And fifth step is about slashing, so how slashing achieves. So yeah, that's pretty it. So the last thing that I want to say is just want to mention some of our products that we already released and plan to release. So we already released the Babylon Staking API. It allows like any platform to integrate staking and provide staking for like end users. So if you are from like wallets team, exchanges, custodies, and like any platform, so we can quickly integrate Babylon staking in your platform using Babylon staking API. So if you have interest in that, so let's discuss it. I'll be here after the keynote. And we also plan to launch our Babylon staking the app, so that allows easily stake your BTC with P2P.org. So pretty excited about this launch. I hope it's coming really, really soon, probably in October. So yeah, that's it. That's how we evaluate Bitcoin staking products at P2P.org. So if you need any help with evaluating products, choosing right product, feel free to reach us. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for having me today.